Oh, my arm.
You're not. What's wrong with your arm?
I jumped like this, and now my arm hurts.
Are you cold, Mama?
Right here is it? Hi, I'm Enzo.
Hi, I'm a Princess Cruise.
And today we're going to Vibes DIY Studio. Let's go.
Let's go. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
So the way it works is everything you see over here you can hand paint or you can paint pour. Paint pour looks like that. It stays 24 hours. Hand paint is like you hand painting something like this or like this Tyson up there.
You guys can pick one of these or one of these and you can hand paint it like how this one is right here.
Yeah.
Or if you decide to pour, like pour the paint on there, then you have to let it stay overnight and then we can pick it up tomorrow.
Okay.
It's up to you, whichever one you guys, however you want to do it. I feel like you should paint, buddy, and then you can just take it with you.
That's what I want to do.
You want to paint? Okay, cool. So pick, look, you guys can pick these right here.
I want to pick.
Any of these?
Yeah, you can pick any of these. Look, you can pick these down here. These can be for painting too, right? Okay. So any of these or on this side. Look, Mommy, even down here, over there.
It's Mario.
You like that one, Mama?
This is so hard to choose. I'm gonna get this Pikachu, definitely. I need a piggy bank too. I just need this.
Which one do you want, Mama? Look, I like this one. You like the mermaid?
How about this? Look.
There's Elsa. Anna.
Hey, what's that?
Which one? Which one?
Only one.
Which one do you want? This one. This one's
Oh, the
cool.
mermaid one's cool. Yeah.
Okay, pick one. You only get one. Pick one.
This one.
Okay.
I told you.
What is this, Elsa?
Yeah.
Write in what colors you want for them to have, and then I get the paint for you.
Okay, cool. All right, bud. So you get to pick which colors you want, and then you put the numbers right here, and then he'll pick the colors for you.
Okay, great.
And whatever he picks, you can do it for both. Yeah.
And then there's aprons over here so you don't get anything on your clothes.
Oh, perfect. So you pick these colors.
Because I use this for like a pour.
Are you excited?
Yeah, this is Elsa. Say hi. Hi. Hey, Mommy. Hello.
What are you gonna do today?
Painting.
You're painting?
Yeah.
Are you excited? Let Nani put your apron on you. Ooh.
So
Tell me, are you excited?
I'm gonna get Pikachu color. And then he's gonna get
Stop banging.
Elsa color.
You can put those back. Let me see you guys together. Let me take a picture. All right, let's go. We just sit wherever?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Now I paint now.
Put it in your shirt.
I don't know where to start.
Do the all yellow first. I'm going to do details first. Start, look. Don't get her hand. So, one way or another.
Oh, Mommy.
Wow. Very, and you're fast. Those details. So good. Good job, Mama.
And yours is like faster than me.
Oh, yellow side.
Her hair's cool too. now.
Wait, you're about to do black, buddy?
Yeah.
Where? On the eyes or on the cheeks? Why don't you switch the brush?
Okay. Here.
Okay. So like a studio. Chair, a TV, and the kitchen is right in front of that.
Wow.
Oh, good job. Whoa.
I'll show them my friends. Hey.
Bye. Go.
Ah.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.